Ladies and gentlemen, my friends, welcome back to Pouring Whiskey. Today, Knob Creek Rye. But a little bit special, a bit of one. Single barrel, select rye, a store pick. From the good people of Fine Wine and Good Spirits. This will be their 2023 pick. So, barreled 1/26/2015. They selected this barrel on 2/28/23. So we're looking about a little over 8 years. 8 years and a month. 2 days, I guess, really, if you want to get down to it. We're coming in at a beautiful 115 proof. I haven't had a Knob Creek Rye in some time. So when I saw this, I thought, I gotta pick it up. Mainly because I like Knob Creek. I like ryes. And I like 115 proof. Not a bad cork pop either. So let's get into this, see what we can find out here. So nice little pour. Knob Creek. So, single barrel, talked about that, store pick. Yeah, let's just get into it, you know. It's got a nice color. A little bit of flavor lines going down the glass. Can't beat that. Orange peel right there off the bat. A lot of citrus going on there, my friends. Might be a little red apple in there too. Little caramelized red apple. You bite into that and you smell it. Well, to the tongue. Oh yeah. Full on citrus palate. There goes the apple. That's a nice rye, my friends. It's a nice rye. They picked a good barrel. I'll tell you that much down there at Fine Wine Good Spirits. And obviously, it'd be really hard to figure out who the hell picked that barrel because they probably have a shitload of people working for them that do this. So I don't know what to tell you about that. You know, normally if you go to a regular store that's not state run, like Fine Wine, you might meet the person. Usually it would be the store owner or maybe someone that's really good at tasting, and they can go and pick the barrel for the store. So usually if you go into the good store, you meet the people that at least get to pick the barrel, or the people in the store knows that person. The people working in this store probably don't even know who this person even is. So that's a little difference, I guess, between self-run stores and state-run store picks, I guess, in my opinion. But whoever did it did a good job. I'll tell you that one thing right now. Oh yeah. If you like a good citrus rye, I don't know if you're gonna be able to find this. Actually, you have to live in the state of Pennsylvania or travel, and they still have some. For a pretty $70. That's not bad. So $70, it's under the age statement. So I like that. Well, I guess it wasn't stated, but you could figure it out by the dates on the bottle. You know, I'm not an idiot. It's got a good proof. So for $70, yeah, that's a good pickup, my friends. A good pickup. And a good store pick. Mm-hmm. Might be a little apricot on there now since it's been opened up for a little bit to get some air. Oh yeah. Even in just those few minutes, this is really opening up, my friends. Really opening up. Each sip, each taste, that's getting more flavorful. Oh yeah, still get the citrus as you did before, but now I'm getting an apricot, which might have been what that apple was. I'm not getting that apple now. Sneaky little apricots. Either way, there's good juice in this bottle. Oh yeah. Let me know what y'all think about Knob Creek Rye. It's pretty damn good. So, let me know, comments, do you like the rye? How do you feel about this rye from Knob Creek? And if you've had any of their single barrel selects, store picks, I'd like to know. But, hey, until next time, like the video, subscribe. We'll see you all next time.